Do you have problems falling asleep between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m.? Then you want to love on your gallbladder, because that could be the issue, right? So 3,000 years ago, they discovered that the body tends to move blood to your gallbladder between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. So if you have issues, dysfunction in your gallbladder, then that could prevent you from sleeping, right? And so your gallbladder is on the right side of your body. Find your ribs, right? You want to actually find your nipple, right? Because you want to find your nipple if your nipple is straight. If your nipple is all crooked, then don't use this technique. But if your nipple is straight, then you want to find your nipple and you want to draw a line all the way down. And right there under your ribs, here's a nipple. I draw a line all the way down. Underneath the liver is your gallbladder. So you just want to massage underneath as much as you can. That's one technique. Second technique, since your gallbladder is right here, you want to draw a line. Draw a line to your arm. You see, my arm's, the line's right here. Then you want to massage.
Hi, my name is Sal Jimenez. I'm from Cedar Park, Texas. And I came to Dr. Yen to help me with my insomnia. He's helped me immensely with my insomnia. Previously, I was only getting about 2 hours of sleep at a time, and I was really struggling with it. I couldn't function at work. I couldn't function in my home life. I was having a lot of problems, and it was really affecting me. I went to the doctors, I tried chiropractors, I even tried sleeping pills, and it wouldn't work. And I found that acupuncture really helped me, and I definitely recommend Dr. Yen for insomnia and for anything else.
Can't sleep? Then massage your belly to improve the quality of your sleep. So this is specifically for if you have a hard time sleeping between the time 1 a.m. to 3 a.m., between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. This tells us that you actually have a dysfunction in your liver, right? So how do you fix it? Well, then you have to restore the function to your liver. So one of the ways, one of the techniques, one of the biohacking tips is you can massage your belly. More specifically, you want to find your ribs on your right side, and dig underneath in your ribs. That's where your liver is located. So you want to massage this right before you go to bed. So when you're laying on the bed, you want to start massaging this, okay? It's going to push out all the poop from your liver, right? The problem is your liver's got all this poop stuck in it, and that's why it's dysfunctioning. It's waking you up between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. They found this out 3,000 years ago, right? So just massage all the way under